Okay, we've got a rare find for you today, a late model 2024 K36 from Altendorf. This is the top of the line when it comes to Edgebanders. You're gonna see the nicest edges you've ever seen. The first person that comes and does a demonstration with this machine will buy it. So please make an appointment, come check this machine out. We have plenty of them new. This is the only one we have with a huge discount to the price. Because it only has 250 hours, we are giving it the full factory warranty with this machine. So a like new machine at a used price. We're gonna go ahead and show you some of the stations here and a couple of panels going through, but please don't hesitate, reach out, make an appointment today. Hope to see you soon, thanks. Okay, we're gonna run through this machine quick, but first you've got your roller support system here. You've got a sample part over here. And then first thing you'll notice is this controller. Really nice controller, all nice high-end 3D. See if I can get a good focused view of that. And then a cool display down here for both the front and the rear, because you can do different operations on front and rear. If you've got a certain shaped part that doesn't need to get corner out in the front, but only the rear, you can do all those different things on this machine. And then this gives you a live preview. So if I turn the end trims back on, you can see that those now cut flush with the part. And then as I add other stations, you can also see those effects. And if I wanted to go in here and say, we're just going to chamfer those instead of round them over completely, you can see that that changes that on the fly. And again, all this can be saved via programming, so we don't have to go in here and select any of these. We just simply hit the different programs that we want, and it will change which stations are on and off according to how we saved that program. This machine has a lot of features: buffing, nesting feature, spray feature, gluing. And if we go into gluing, anytime you see a wrench, you can go into more options. We've got change of direction, which also changes the amount of glue, so we can have 2 glue settings on the roller. We can also use PUR or EVA, which is a touch of a button. It changes to the correct temperature for PUR and then back to EVA. If we need to make a temperature adjustment, we can simply go in here and type in a different adjustment. So if the glue we're running today requires a slightly different temperature, we can easily change that. So again, really nice features there. We'll move on. Oh, we got the pre-mill down here. So diamond tooling on the pre-mill. We come over here, we see the quick change glue pot. Simply unlock this with a handle, and then you've just got your 4 disconnects for your air, and then your quick disconnect for power right here. So you can literally pull this thing out in about 30 to 45 seconds. It's really, really quick. Also, every Altendorf machine comes with a purging system. So there's the glue purging down there and the purging handle. Simply hit the purge button on the screen. It'll heat up to an extra 30 degrees, liquefying that glue. And then we can go ahead and purge the system, put in new glue, or do a cleaning. Got your pressure rollers, of course, your double motor end trim right here. Then our top and bottom flush trimming. We've got our automatic corner rounding. Moving over here, we've got profile scraping. And then flat scraping. We've got our sprayers in there and the buffing wheels. And you can see the liquids are stored right in the back there. 2 bottles of SNX XE4. So that's just a quick view of this machine. We'll show you a couple of panels running through here. And again, don't hesitate, reach out. We'd love to give you a quote on this rare 2024 find. Thanks for watching.
Okay, the machine is warmed up, and as you can see here, less than 250 hours of total runtime. We've got some tape loaded up, we've got some material right here. We're going to go ahead and run a panel for you. I'll try to load this with one hand while holding the camera in the other. Really easy to load on this machine. Got a nice green light up front. It'll tell you as soon as it's ready for another panel, which is very quick on these machines. Got the end trim station. We're going through the top and bottom right now, and we're going through profile scraping that's called for in that program, some flat scraping, and buffing. Now, it really doesn't do it justice on this video. You kind of got to see it with your own eyes and feel it, but I'll try to zoom in and get a close-up view of just how clean this is. As you can see, we're not wiping, we're not scraping, we're not taking anything off. This is right out of the machine, a zoomed-in view. You can see just how clean that edge is. Got another part we did earlier right here. As you can see, almost zero glue line. These edges just look absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's run one more panel. This time we'll give you the view from the other side. And go past the guillotine here and the pressure rollers, glue pot, double motor end trim, top and bottom. And then coming over here to the right, we're going through profile scraping, flat scraping, buffing. Do not have the sprays on right now, just to show you how it works without them. This is right out of the machine, just how clean these edges are. Again, unreal compared to any other machine on the market. And we can't end the video without showing you the corner rounder. So now that we've got two sides done, we'll do the corner rounding on this third side, front, back, top, bottom. We'll go through our scraping cleaning stations and then we'll come out the side here. Try to let you see on camera just how nice this corner rounding looks with the radius on this part. If you look at the ends, no sharp ends on that corner. Just cleans it up, puts a little rounding on there, perfect for drawer faces or doors. So again, thanks for watching and hope to hear from you soon.